I will be teaching how to find out if a reflection is an isometry or not. And an isometry is it is when uh, you the distance stays the same when you in this case reflect an object over something. So the first step is you have your y-axis and your x-axis, and you pick 2 points that you want on the line. The first point I picked is 0, 0, and the second point I picked is 0, 5. What we're then going to do is draw a green dash. This green dash line is what I'm going to reflect over, and this is y equals half x is the equation for that line. Next, we need a perpendicular line to go with the line we're going to reflect over, and the equation for that is y equals mx plus b. In our case, it's y equals negative 2x plus 5 because 5 is the point in the y-axis and negative 2 is the slope that it goes down at. What we're going to do is we're going to find the intersection, so where the next point will go. To do so, we're going to take those two equations and put them together. So we have half x equals negative 2x plus 5. We times both sides by 2, so then we get 1x equals negative 4x plus 10. Doing some more math, we do 5x equals 10 because we added the 4 to the 1x side. And then dividing 10 by 5, we get x equals 2. And then we take the 2 and then we put it into the equation over here to get y, at which y equals half times 2, and half of 2 is 1. So then our points on the axis are 2, is 2, 1. What we do next is we find the point on the graph. So I'll show you how to do it right here. There's the 2, 1 point that we put right there. We want to find the next point, and in order to do so, we went over 2, down 4 to get to 2, 1. So we're going to do the same to find the point down here. So we're going to go over 2, down 4, and then our new point will be 4, negative 3. And then we find the distance between the new point and the old point and 0 and the new point and 0. So the 0 from 0, 0. 0, 0 is right here. The new point is 5, or the old point, sorry, is 5 away. And then the new point we go over 4, down 3, which would be a total of 7. So this is not an isometry because the distance is different.